Helen Keller once said that the most beautiful things in this world cannot be seen or even touched. It must be felt with your heart. I, Ankita Gaur, welcome you to LB Network. To understand and have a better knowledge of how our regular routine can help us to deal with this, today we have Susan Saleh. Hi Susan, welcome to LB Network. How are you doing?
Thank you so much. I'm doing great. Thank you for having me here.
Susan Saleh is a health coach and a yoga teacher. She has inspired people to live healthier and happier life by incorporating healthy meal plans and practicing yoga. So Susan, health coach is a new bandwagon among the lifestyle and fitness enthusiasts. So what is holistic health coaching all about?
So thank you for asking. Health coaching helps clients how to discover the best tools, how to fuel your body, how to be more happier, healthier, and just finding out the best version of yourselves.
So Susan, what unique approach do you adopt in your program to achieve a holistic healthy living?
So definitely, I believe, and all health coaches do, we follow a holistic approach in terms of our health coaching. So we follow a tool called the Circle of Life. And in this tool, we cover certain elements that are important to have a balanced, holistic health. So we follow tools such as focusing on your spirituality, on your creativity, health, your food, stress management, creativity, your career. So it's important to have a happier and healthier life. We need to address all of these pillars at the same time and find out which areas need a bit more focus and more love on. So that is the terms of a holistic health approach.
So Susan, today 29th of September, World Heart Day, and harnessing the power of digital health to improve awareness, prevention and management of cardiovascular diseases globally is the goal of World Heart Day 2021. On this occasion, what is your message to our community?
Well, happy World Heart Day. And definitely the heart is the most important organ. It does its job whether we know or we don't know. When we're sleeping, awake, focusing, not focusing on it. It is the tool and the essence of our life. However, it is also cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of death in the world today. But the one plus sign of that is that it has been proven, so many studies have proven that you can prevent these kind of diseases by the things that you eat and the things that you do. So it is very important, hence again, to take a holistic approach on your life, knowing what are the right foods to eat, what foods to stop eating, and to focus on less stress in your life and to do those physical activities that harness and bring out more joy and happiness in your life.
Wow, Suzanne, thank you so much for this amazing session, which has given us a lot of information, and I'm sure if our audience will incorporate these changes in their life, they will definitely see the difference.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
Cardiovascular diseases remains the #1 killer in the world, causing 18.6 million deaths a year. It has many causes, from smoking, diabetes, high blood pressure to obesity. Please remember, health plays a very important role in our life. Without a healthy body and mind, you can never achieve the things which actually belongs to you. This is me, Ankita Gaur, signing off. Please take care of yourself till we meet next.